Nowadays, smartness or intelligence is often brought up by everyone, especially in computers and electronics. I'm sure everyone may have heard of IoT, things of internet. It means connect everything via internet. Today, we happen to find one good store that applies this very technology to the product that is Lite-Puter. So what's inside and what are their secrets? Now let's go in and see out more. Let's go. Up to now, Lite-Puter has completed a lot of projects in Asia for shopping malls, museums, and national parks. When I entered their showroom, what surprised me the most is the wall of certificates. Now let's get closer and see what are they. So their product, they have the dimmable driver, which has gained the certification from Huawei. And this is about the panel light. And this is the dimmable driver. And the controller, all of them has gained the certificate from Huawei. I'm so impressive. According to the salesperson, they are now using a technology called PLC. So what is PLC? PLC is called power line communication. It is a method that uses power lines to transmit data and media signals, and the signal will be loaded on DC or DC lights. Okay, now we're going to see how does it work via this light. Okay, hello.
Hey, 你好.
Hi. Can you show us how does the light work?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please show us? Okay, now we are going to see here is just holding an iPad, one machine to control all the lighting.
那有这些产品就是说明亮
Okay, bright.
OK 柔和
Now it's tender. Okay, now we can see the lights are changing.
浪漫
Now it's romantic mode.
OK
Wow.
然后我们也可以做一些舒适
Okay, now we can also just adjust to the comfortable mode.
当然我们也可以一键全光
Okay, one button, one light.
然后我们可以看那面墙我可以做一个就是说一个从高到低的一个梯度
Okay, now let's look at the wall. We can adjust the light from layers to layer. Wow. Okay, and we can just see the operation is very simple. All we need to do is to click one button and the lights will change itself. Okay, what's more? Okay, now let's go in and find out what are their products to make these amazing results. Right now behind me are their products. I'm really curious what kind of products can make these amazing results. Now let's get closer and look. Now here are their drivers. There are many kinds of drivers for different needs. And exactly how does it work? Basically like this. All we need is one wire. One wire is enough to connect as many as components to make the IoT work. So there are just 4 simple features of this lighting system. The first one is that rich in components. Because you see, just now we can see there are a lot of components, but only one wire is enough. So in this one we can see it is multifunctional. And the second one is about fast. It's easy to install and it's easy to do the maintenance. We don't have to restrict on the installation. As long as one module is broken, all we need to do is to just change it. And the third one is stable. We can use the professional dimmable driver and we can achieve the result by wireless controlation. And the last one is that it saves a lot of money to save our cost. We don't have to do a lot of things. All we need to do is to call someone professional and then we're going to install the lighting solution for you. Okay, so these are their products that show in the showroom. So this is the conference area. So if you just sit here, we have designer, we have the company staff, and we're going to talk about the plan over this desk, and we can watch the TV. If you want to get some improvement on the lighting, all we need to do is talk. So they are using the PLC also for this kind of office lighting. Now we can see the lights are changing a little bit. Okay, can you show us? Okay, so this is the meeting mode. This is the lighting for the meeting mode.
阅读
Now it becomes reading mode.
Meaning.
And when we have to focus on our word, this is the bright mode.
查询
When we need to take a break, and this is the tea break mode.
对，这里就在这里了
Okay, now I
Okay,
can see
那我
the
们
lights
继续。
change very
那我们继续。
differently. Okay, now let's take a look. So, exactly
我们去
when
生
I
态
go
馆
home, how will I like the lights are changing? When I go home, now let's see how they really work. I would like to see how my homes will change
这个是
with
我们那个
different
生态馆
light changes.
小易小易
This is the simulated
我回
home.
来了
So when the owner says, 小易小易 I am come back home. Now the lights are changing.
小易小易春天模式
Now they have very different modes like fall season. Now is the spring mode. Spring mode is
呈
like
现
this.
春的生机，人居空间适宜的灯光色温4500K， 春意盎然，满怀希望。
小易小易夏天模式
Now is the summer
小
mode.
事儿，映线下的清凉，人居空间适宜的灯光色温6000K， 盛夏已至，清风拂面。
As long as you have different needs, you can just talk to the vendor and they can make it for you. Like if you are a movie fan, then you can have your reading mode right here. And if you are a book fan, you will have your movie mode right here. As long as you need it, they can make it. Okay.
小易小易光影模式
Now is the movie mode.
好了，
We can see everything is
小易
becoming
小易
dark now.
打开电视
Now turn on the TV.
小易小易打开窗帘
Now open the curtain.
你看
Now we can see the stereo is just round the house. Now it's really the movie mode.
啊小易小易音量到70%
音量已设置为70%。
Yes, it now it just feels like in the movie theater.
Hey, you guys remember weekends?
So that's all for our tour in Lite-Puter. After seeing so many lighting solutions in their company, are you interested in it? If you are, please like this video and leave your comments below. If you really want to contact them, scan the QR code at the end of this video and we're going to have a personal consultant for you. Stay tuned. And once again, thank you so much.
You're right.
Thank you.
Thank you.